Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to reset network setting on your Samsung Galaxy A05 mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go your handset setting. Just tap on settings. When you tap on settings, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see a option of general management. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see a new interface on your screen just like this. Here there is a option of reset. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here just select reset network setting. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will ask to confirm you reset setting. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, then you will see your handset network setting will be resetted. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Thank you.